Okay guys, hope you've watched part 1. This is part 2. I reckon it's even a bit better. Sit back and enjoy. Thanks. Okay guys, you reckon we can pull another fish off this snag? Crikeys, it's been bloody good to me. We'll give it another go. See how we go. They're loving it. This Flatza minnow is a very, very effective lure. So I said, if you can't catch fish with this fella, you got a bit of structure around, don't think you'll catch them on anything. We'll see if that works. See a few brims swimming off around there in the distance. We'll see if we can entice one to have a bit of a go. Got to get it right up in there. The secret is the cast. It always is. Oh, that's lovely. Right up. We're going to be in a bit of trouble if we hook up here, I think, guys. Right between that fork and that tree. They just saw me then. I think they're starting to get a bit suspicious. Oh, I'm on! Again. Oh. Better tighten this drag up. He's going for the snag. Come out here. Here he comes. Oh. Nice lovely little brim again. Got the net a bit more organised this time. Come here, little fella. You're only a little fella this time. Still legal, but we'll just get away from that snag while we get organised, so we don't spook those fish. Look at that, guys. How many fish has Naughty pulled out of that snag on that little minnow? They just can't resist it. You've got to get these in your arsenal, guys. You just got to. They're just a bloody proven brim killer. I'll take this off and we'll have another go. Okay guys, we'll have another go. Just got rid of that little fella. And we'll throw this little minnow in there again. Little hurricane Flatza minnow. The colour's called Dynamite. And he's living up to his name, this colour, Dynamite. He's been on fire today. Been smacking brim left, right and centre. Throw it back in there again and see if we can do it again, guys. Work that over that snag. Get it over the back there. I love fishing structure. I'm just a snag fishing nut. Love it. It's always a bit more of a challenge. Here we go. Can we entice one of these fellas? Like, surely they must know I'm here by now. They just can't resist that little minnow. Commotion's unreal. Right, we'll get right over the very back, right up there. This will be interesting. If we get one on, right up there. Look at that. I hope this comes out on camera nicely. You can see where I'm going. Nice little twitches. got to stop sooner or later. We can't just keep pulling fish after fish out of here. Well, there's some over there. How about we go over there? I can see some over there in front of the snag. We'll see if we can. No. How about we do a reversey on the snag? We go in this way. We'll try this way, hey? We'll get on the back of the little tinny here. And we'll go in backwards. See if we can pull something out of there backwards. You blokes at home must think I just love talking to myself. I don't normally do this, talk to myself, guys, when I'm out here on my own, but that was a shit cast. Get it in there, it's all about the cast. If I don't get that cast in, I need to get it right in underneath. See that log there? I need to get him right up in there, underneath there. Let's see if we can get him in there. He sort of skipped in there a bit. We'll see if that works. No. We'll go in over the back. Here we go. I'll show you something interesting, guys. See if this works. See this log here? We'll go straight over the top of him. You're thinking, well, what's Naughty doing there? Because there's logs coming through there everywhere. But we'll just see if I can work that through there. There you go. Oh, you had a go. Did you see that? You're just casting right over the back. He had a freaking crack at it. I don't know whether you guys saw that at home. He broke the water and all. We'll have another go. Watch Naughty. We'll throw right over the top of this log, right over the back there. And we'll just see if we can. It'll be interesting if we get one on. We've got to try and get him out of there, but. Yep, he's on. Oh shit. I'm not up the front with the electric is either. I'm in trouble. Oh no, guys. That's what happens when you haven't got your electric with you. Silly move, Naughty, silly move. You saw him on though. If you fish in structure like this, I made the fatal mistake of not being where the electric is. We'll give another go, see if I can do it for you again. See that? Right over the top of that. And I'm just sort of working him through those logs. Get him off there. I'll have another go. Over the back. Right over. Poof. In there. What's Naughty going to do if he gets a fish on here, eh? You had that fish on, he got a bit unlucky there. He sort of went behind that snag. Okay, we've moved up the river a little bit. We work our way up to a few more snags. Gone for a similar thing. We'll just work our way slowly. Oh, we're on. Oh, first cast, guys. First cast. How's that? The old bloody hurricane minnow in the dynamite colour is bloody dynamite. Get the net. I should be a bit more organised. Here he comes. Look at that. They're just loving it. Just loving it. Loving that bloody. Loving that little minnow. There you go. Nice sea skip slam bream. We'll get him off and we'll have another cast. Okay, we just put that fella away, back in the drink. So we can get another one out of this snag. I just lost a lovely, I don't know, hopefully I had the footage of it, I just lost a lovely, probably 40 centimetre brim easy. I hope you saw him on the, he was a nice fish. But he was too good for me today. That's what keeps me coming back for more. Rightio, let's get in amongst these fellas. Here we go. Come on! Might get another 40. Try and get another 40 out of here. Be nice. Be a nightmare trying to fish this with a lure that dives a bit deeper than this fella. This fella's just perfect. He's just coming out there on those branches and just coming through and out from the branches and just smacking it. Let's get it right up the back there. Right up there. Finessing it through there. Still not getting it in far enough, I don't think. Let's get it right in there. That may be a bit of a cast. That may produce something. Yeah, oh, had a good hit. Ah, don't you hate that? We'll go back in there again. I don't know whether you guys seen that hit. Get right in there again and maybe you'll have another go. Just let it settle, twitch it out. He's on. Yeah, come back for another look. Oh. Come here, mate. That's what it's all about, guys. If you're not in the wood, you're not in the hood. Let's get this electric this out a bit so we don't spook these fish. Come here, mate. Oh, he's nice. Not a bad brim. You think, guys, he's not a bad brim. Come on. Another one on the hurricane. Minnow. Come here. Yep. Oh, he's not a bad fish. He's a lovely East Gippsland brim. Probably mid-30s or something. Easy. Alright, we'll get him off and see if we can pin another one. I just love it. It's like an addiction. Not a nice East Gippsland brim caught on a hurricane fatty. The green. They seem to like the green one up here, the green one in the Anzac. So, looking good.